Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's House. Today I'm working on the Violet Dreams weekend workshop finishing, and as you can see, we've got a bunch of technique videos on my Create It Robin's House page on Facebook. You can see how I tie a bow, and I found a cool knot bow this time for one of my cards with robins that I'm very excited about, so I did a video about it too. It was new to me. Okay, so what's new besides that fun knot bow? Our product of the month. So this is a specialty paper and it has a pearlized glow to each of the pages. And so I think it's to each of 6 designs, all of them with this pearl finish. It's very shimmery and very pretty. You can get it for $5 in your Stampin' Up! Account when you purchase 75. And if you have any questions, let me know. So we also have a cardstock sale. So it does say select cardstock. And so what it is mostly is single color cardstocks, but for whatever reason, not every color of single cardstocks. And then a bunch of the designer series papers as well. So there's a nice selection. I'm sure you can find something or something that you need, like the black two-tone cardstock. So I needed some of that, so I went ahead and bought some because it was on sale, so why not? Stuff like that. So I brought this up last month about the foil thing, and I was at a retreat a couple weeks ago, and we used, I don't know how to do it. It is quite gorgeous. I was able to make a card using it, and it's very fancy. It could easily be a wedding invitation or something. And then I saw somebody else using embossing folders in the same way as the metallic foil dies. So that's interesting, like that swirl, the new swirl one for Halloween or just magic. I think it's called Swirls of Magic. They used that on the heat foil press, and they were able to use the design, and then they were able to take the leftovers, the negative space, and use that as a design as well. So that was pretty cool. This is my story. So we're, I think, more than halfway through the year on this. So we've got our August prompts here. I have more information on my all-day crops. If you, oh shoot, those are the August prompts. Kind of got confused. All right. So if you, but mainly the idea is just that you're doing yourself, doing your memories and things that are special to you, all in one book. A myriad of ideas and prompts to get ideas of what memories you could get and just telling the story of you. So my September all-day crop is on September 12th, 10 to 10. And I provide all the meals and snacks and everything for you, so you can just work all day long with no interruptions. So my August crop was amazing. I had 5 ladies, the most I've ever had, and it was very fun and very busy. And so I look forward to September and see you there, I hope. So one of my main classes that I have is my Cards with Robin. So this happens every month, and it's a selection of 4 or 5 cards that vary. We've got birthdays and thank yous and such, and the themes kind of change from month to month, especially if there's a holiday, but just generic cards. And this is just a couple hours to come and make some quick cards and have some fun with friends and such. And my Scrap with Robin is kind of the same idea. It's just a little short class to put together one layout. You can choose the featured layout that I have that month, or look through my stash from previous layouts and choose one of those. So it's a great introduction, not too overwhelming and such if you want to come and try something out. It's very easy. So my Stampin' Up! Scrap workshop. So this one is a little confusing to me because I was planning to do Autumn Fields and I have this kit to do, but I don't see it available right now. And I know there was an issue with it. They had to send me some replacement items because it was missing. So I'm assuming they took it off so they could retool and then send them back out again, but I'm curious. So just in case, there's also Memorable Garden, which I will be offering. And that one is a little more flowery, a little bit pastel-y. But I intend to do the Autumn Fields one as well. I'm excited about fall. I love fall. And so I want to feature that, but we'll see what happens. Now, my scrap with Robin. So I have been having several people asking me about Disney projects again, and I love Disney. So I have this, the Regals Painted Patterns is kind of our paper of the year that features each of the colors. So the Regals one matches, it only works, I think, if I can see it. Okay. So it matches the Disney characters and the Disney colors fairly well. Let's see if I can get up here. And so I just did some pages. I got 6 pages. I got Minnie, Mickey, Pluto, Donald, Goofy, and Daisy. Each get their own page with Cricut cuts and decorations and using this paper. So that is what my Scrap with Robin workshop is going to be about. And my featured card workshop, I suspect that my featured card workshop will be a simpler Mickey Mouse design using one of the stamp sets. And then I'm also going to have a Cards with Robin workshop using all Cricut cuts. So no stamping at all, just assembling. And this is actually a throwback kit. So it's a few minor changes with a new paper and such, but you will have seen the designs before. So it's fun and it's easy and super cute. So Mickey Mouse, Disney next month. I'm super excited. And we've got 2 new kits added for August. One is a very flowery one with lots of layers, it looks like. And one is a witch hat. And so I plan to do the witch hat in October. So if you are also excited about the witch hat, let me know so I can order a kit for you before they sell out. Last year, the haunted houses sold out really fast, so I don't know how the witch hats will do, but I thought it'd be kind of fun and different. And then so in September, though, I'll be doing Wishes of Gratitude. It's these 2 watercolor-ish looking card kits with some greenery and background. Looks very cute, perfect for fall. So Wishes of Gratitude. And then we have a little bit more gratitude. So the September paper pumpkin is called Aspens of Gratitude. So you can bet it's going to be featuring some aspens and some watercolor designs in there. So very cute. If you want this kit, you'll need to sign up by September 10th, and then it usually ships on the 11th. And that's all we got for August. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.